In this video, we are going to be learning how to install the Metasploit framework. We will also learn how to connect the Metasploit framework to the database. So let's get started. So I'm in my Kali Linux right now. By default, Metasploit framework is already pre-installed on your system. But if for some reason it is not installed, then type the command sudo apt update space end space sudo apt install Metasploit-framework space -y and press enter, and Metasploit framework will be installed on your system. You can confirm with the command msf console space -- version, and if you get this output with the version number, it means that Metasploit is installed in your system. Now let's connect the Metasploit framework to the database. But before we do that, before learning Metasploit framework, it is very important that you are comfortable with the Kali Linux commands. So if you're not comfortable with the terminal commands, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Kali Linux cheat sheet for beginners. This cheat sheet has all the commands that you need to become comfortable with the terminal. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet. So click the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. Now to connect Metasploit framework to the database, you need to have Postgres installed. If you do not have Postgres installed in your system, then type the command sudo apt install PostgreSQL and press enter, and I can see my Postgres is already the newest version. Next, we need to start our database. So type the command sudo systemctl enable -- now space PostgreSQL and press enter. After starting the database, confirm whether Postgres is running or not with the command sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. I can see it is active and running. Now let's connect the database to our Metasploit framework. Type the command sudo msfdb space init, which will initialize the database. And now I can start my Metasploit framework with the command msf console. I can see Metasploit framework has started. Let's check whether it is connected to the database or not with the command db_status, and if you get this output, it means that your Metasploit framework is connected to the database. You can create your workspace by typing workspace space -a for add and type the name of your workspace that you want to create. I can see the workspace hack hunt has been created. In a future video, I will show you in detail all the features you can do by connecting the Metasploit framework to the database. So this is for the end of the video. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.